To add a Pinterest tag to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor. From there, click on the settings icon, which is represented by a gear symbol, and then select Tracking and Analytics. Next, click on New Tool and select Pinterest tag from the list of available options. You will then need to enter your Pinterest tag ID, which can be obtained from your Pinterest account. To get your Pinterest tag ID, log into your Pinterest account and navigate to the Ads Manager section. Click on the Conversions option and then select Events. Click on the Get Your Pinterest Tag option and follow the instructions to get your tag ID. Once you have your tag ID, go back to your Wix website and enter it into the required field. Make sure to select the pages where you want the Pinterest tag to appear, such as all pages or specific pages. You can also choose to add the tag to your website's header or footer section. After entering your Pinterest tag ID and selecting the pages, click on the Apply button to save the changes. It is essential to test your Pinterest tag to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by using the Pinterest Tag Helper, a free Chrome extension that allows you to verify if your tag is installed correctly. To test your tag, navigate to your Wix website and click on the Pinterest Tag Helper extension. If your tag is installed correctly, you will see a green check mark indicating that the tag is working. By following these steps, you can successfully add a Pinterest tag to your Wix website and start tracking your website's conversions and events. This will help you optimize your Pinterest ads and improve your overall marketing strategy. Adding a Pinterest tag to your Wix website is a straightforward process that requires just a few minutes of your time. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your Pinterest tag is installed correctly and start tracking your website's performance.